now we are trying to install the panels on the roof. We are done setting up the inverter setup, so but we've not run the cables yet. But what we're about to do now is to go up to the roof to install the solar panel. You see, we are on our safety, we are on our harness. We're going to use the cables for the safety. So this is a 600 watt solar panel. See what? So once we start, so thank you. Wilson. All right. Good afternoon, everyone. So now we've installed 9 panels of 600 watts monopoly crystalline solar panels. So we are here on at Imo State. So we came early this year to do the installation. So it has been very nice, and we are ending this installation today. So I'll take us down to see the inverter section. So this is the roof, this is the solar section, and we made sure our safety and everything is on. So that's all for now. Thanks very much. All right, good afternoon, everyone. As you all know, I'm Caleb Iwole, the CEO of WILTES Energy. So as I said previously when I was on the roof, this building, or the owner of this house, reached out to me of them having green energy. They don't want to use any other power except solar. So they don't have here is you see, here is village, and they need constant light 24 hours. So I now came here to do the installation. We started some days ago, and today we are done with the full process. So I would love to dive down to the inverter section. So you can see the solar panels from here. As I told us initially, this is 9 panels of 600 watts. Yeah, all series connections. That is 50 volts each. So it's going to give a very much that is around 4 something volts instant. So for the battery to charge efficiently, so it's having 5 kilowatt hour battery and 5.5 kilowatt inverter. So let's go in and let me show you the full system. Alright, so if you patronize me, I'll also give you a solar street light that you can also use for your compound. For night, if you're not here, you can also do your compound and other things. If you're coming from far, you can be able to use the street light. You all know what street light is used for. So let's go in and see the full system. Everything is on solar now. So now this is the system. This is the battery. This is a Ktech product. This product is one of the best products, and this product is partnering with WILTES Energy. It's partnering with my business to make sure solar is more affordable for everyone. So now this is the 5.5 kilowatt hour 5.5 kilowatt inverter, and this is the 5 kilowatt hour battery. So now this is the system. This is the protective system. Now this is for the NEPA gen, and this is for the output. So now this is the change over for bypass. This is the bypass changeover, and this is the head changeover. So that's all I have for now. So anytime you want to do something like this, as I did in the previous video initially, that you can always reach out to me when you want to do something very okay for your house. Once I go for the audit with my team, once we audit it, we tell you the actual capacity your house can carry. Once we tell you the actual capacity, then you now know if you can be able to afford it. If you cannot be able to, so we will also make sure it's more affordable for you to be able to afford the system. So that's all for now. Thank you very much.